Introduction to Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful and widely used software application for image editing and manipulation. It was developed by Adobe and first released in 1988. Photoshop provides a comprehensive set of tools and features that allows users to enhance, retouch, and create digital images. It is available for both Windows and Mac operating system. Photoshop supports various file formats including JPG, PNG, TIFF, and RAW. The Tools panel contains a wide range of tools for selecting, editing, and creating elements in your images. Each tool has specific options and settings that can be accessed from the Options bar. The Options bar displays contextual options for the selected tool. It allows you to adjust settings like brush size, opacity, and blending modes. You can navigate and zoom in and zoom out of your image using the zoom tool or keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl Command plus or minus. The menu bar at the top of the screen provides access to various commands and settings. It includes options for opening, saving, and exporting files, as well as accessing preferences and additional features. Customizing the preferences allows you to personalize Photoshop according to your workflow and preferences.